If YouTube algorithm is not recommending your video, or you're not getting enough views on your videos, don't just sit down and keep complaining. There are lots of things you need to do instead of you sitting down complaining. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two things you need to do to make YouTube algorithm recommend your videos. The second thing I'm going to be showing you, and of course, one of the most important things you need to do to make YouTube algorithm recommend your videos is it's how to make people that have come to watch your video for the first time return back to watch more videos. If the people that watch your videos for the first time returns back to watch your future uploads, it simply means that YouTube is beginning to recommend that particular video because it sends a good signal to your viewers or to YouTube algorithm. So it tells the algorithm that people are enjoying your videos. Hey, hello, beautiful people. How you doing? So if you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Buki. I actually created this particular channel to share my journey with you from my other channel where I have over 65 subscribers. So I'm here to share tips on how to grow, the tips you need to grow your channel as a young YouTuber. So you won't make the same mistake that I made when I was growing my other channel. Okay? So if you are yet to subscribe to this particular channel, kindly do so. So let's get to business. So first thing first, I'm going to take you to the YouTube app. I'm going to be showing you step by step of what you need to do to make YouTube recommend your videos. Okay, so let's go to the YouTube app. So this is actually my other channel. Here is me going to my video. You're going to see it for yourself. I look at it here. This is one of my video. Now if I scroll down, you will see another of my video. If I scroll again, you see more of my videos. This is telling you how YouTube algorithm has been recommending my videos. It means that you cannot watch this particular video without YouTube recommending these ones showing on the screen to you. You can give it a try, okay? So let's get started. It's more like you combining your videos together, like networking them together. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Make sure you use the Chrome.
Okay, so you go to Chrome and you type youtubestudio.com. But for me, I already have the shortcut on my phone. So you go to Chrome, you type in YouTube Studio or studio.youtube.com. So it will bring you. This is what you see. Yes. So this is exactly what you see. Either you're monetized or not. This is what you are going to see. So first thing first, you go to the second icon here where you have the first one is the dashboard. The second one it's covered. It's supposed to be the video. You click on it. The second one. Okay. So the second one brings out all your videos, not the shorts now. It brings you have your video, you have the short, you have live, you have post, you have playlist, podcast, promotions. So you the next thing you're going to do now is to click on the video you want to add card or end screen to. So I'm just going to click on a random, let's see, um okay, i'll just do this I'll just do this. Okay, so after clicking it, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see all the information you posted about the video. This is what you're going to see. So you scroll left. Now, if you look at your right hand side, you're going to see the video, public, subtitle, end screen, and cards. So now that we are talking about cards, you're going to click on the icon that looks like pencil close to the cards. You click on it. So this is what you're going to see. Next, you're going to see something that looks like, on the video, you're going to see something that looks like a straight line with a dot on it. I'm moving it now. Can you see? So this is what you're going to use to move your card to the exact place you want the card to pop up on your video while playing. So for me, I'll just leave it here. Next, you go to your left hand side again. You see video, playlist, channel, and link. So for me, I'm just going to add the playlist. So here are my playlists. I have trendy styles, I have podcast and lifestyle, so I have funny. Okay, I'm just going to go with the one that goes with what I posted. So I have, okay, I have DIY and culture. Of course, the video I chose here is about culture, right? So this is a related playlist, DIY and culture. You click on it, and that's it. You now go to save, and that is that. So next now is end screen. Remember, end screen and cards are not the same. So we are going to add end screen to this same video. So next now you're going to click on end screen. Remember, we're already done with the cards, right? Click on end screen. Now for the end screen, you're going to see about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have like 6 options. Okay, I just mistakenly click on one of the options though. So you have one that looks like the one I mistakenly picked now. It's telling me to add 2 videos, and the circle you're saying also means that the viewers can, if they click on it, it will help them subscribe, or it's telling the viewers to subscribe to my channel. Now, but one of the options, okay, other options are, it may tell you to, let me see if I can just go back. I think that would be better. Let's see. Undo. Okay, let me undo. Good. So here we have 1 video, 1 subscribe. So this is telling you to add 1 video to your end screen, and also the circle here is a way of telling your viewers to subscribe to your channel. So if they click on the circle, it will take them to where they'll be able to subscribe. If they click on the rectangular sign, it will take them to another video of you that you added as end screen. Okay, so this other one is where you have 1 video, 1 subscribe. Okay, it's the same. 1 video, 1 subscribe, still the same. The next one is 2 videos. That means you can add 2 videos to your end screen. So this one to 2 videos. So here we have 1 video. You can add 1 video, 1 playlist, and 1 subscribe and 1 subscribe. That means you can add 1 video to as your end screen, 1 playlist, and also it will tell your your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Okay, so now I'm just going to pick 1 playlist and subscriber, or let me just go for 1 video and 1 subscribe. Okay, so this is video. So the next thing you're going to do now is you tap on element here by your left, then you click on video. But first thing first, you should take this line to where you want it to be. Okay, so you choose specific video. If you want YouTube to choose for you, you leave it on most recent video. No, sorry, if you want you can put it on most recent video, but it's better you put related videos as end screen. So I'll go for choose specific video. So since that one has to do with culture, so I will look for a video that have to do with culture. So I'll just go for celebrating area culture. How did I now have to now? Anyways, yeah, then that is all. Then you click on save. That is it. So we are done adding end screen to it, end screen and cards to the video. This is what you're going to be doing each time you upload a video. Make sure that whenever you place end screens at the end of your video, don't just place them make sure you talk about it so people get to know. Of course, at the end of the day, they will be curious to know what in particular you talked about in the video. Like in the video at the end, in the video you're talking about. For instance, one of the video, let's say one of my videos where I talked about, that's in my other channel, where I talked about Ibira culture. At the end of the video, where I placed the end screens, I added one 10 most beautiful tribes in Nigeria, and uh, one other video that also had to do with culture. Now, at the end of this particular video, I'm going to be adding end screen so you see it yourself. So when you see it, click it and see what exactly I'm talking about. And let's see if YouTube will not push your videos or will not recommend your videos to other people. Of course, they will. I hope you have learned something beautiful. See you some other time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a beautiful day. Bye.